In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to file W-2 tax return on TurboTax. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to enter, so your W-2 information is captured correctly and you can move confidently through your return. Have your W-2 form handy and make sure you're signed into your TurboTax account. From the main workspace, start by selecting the Federal section on the left. This takes you into the part of the return where your income lives. Next, hover over Income to reveal the available income categories. Choose Wages and Salaries to open the W-2 workflow. If you see an option to add another W-2, click that. This is also where you'd add your first W-2 if none is listed yet. Then click Continue to begin entering the details. TurboTax gives you two ways to bring in your W-2. You can upload it if you have a digital copy, or you can type it in manually. Uploading can be faster when the file is clear and formatted well, but typing it in yourself puts you fully in control of each field. For this walkthrough, select Type It in Myself. Now, enter the EIN exactly as it appears on your W-2. This is the employer identification number usually shown near the top. Type it carefully because even a single digit off can cause matching issues with the IRS. Next, enter the employer name from box C, then choose the address type and enter the full employer address exactly as printed. When those are complete, click Continue. You'll now enter Income and Taxes Withheld. Carefully type your Box 1 wages, Box 2, Federal Income Tax Withheld, Box 3 and Box 4 for Social Security wages and tax, and Box 5 and Box 6 for Medicare wages and tax. Match the numbers and cents as shown. If any box is blank on your W-2, leave it blank here too. Move on to the less common items section. This is where you add Box 12 codes and amounts, Box 14 details, and any checkboxes such as retirement plan or statutory employee if they appear on your form. Enter them exactly as printed, including letter codes, to ensure credits and limitations are applied correctly. Finally, complete any remaining fields on the W-2 page and review your entries for typos, extra spaces, or missing decimals. When everything matches your paper form, proceed through the prompts and save. That's it. Your W-2 is now in TurboTax and ready to flow into the rest of your return.